Okay, hello everyone. My name is Fateh Ali, and I'm going to deploy the BestBuy application on Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so I will let you know that we will going step by step. Like suppose we have to write this code for store admin order service, and then we have to create the every repository of every Docker image for every service, like for a Docker image for a storefront, Docker image for a store admin, like that. And then we will deploy on Kubernetes cluster, and then after deploying cluster we will do a CI/CD pipeline. So as we have already source code for this, and also we have Docker images for this, and so we will deploy application on cluster. So we have to create a cluster from Azure. Here I had provided the every step that how we gonna to create a cluster, and after creating cluster we have to configure to our local machine. So how we will do that? So we have to click connect, and then copy this command and paste in your local machine here. But first of all we have to make sure that the AZ login is login or not. So after login with your Azure account, so just paste command and you will automatically connect with your cluster. After creating cluster, we have to deploy our application with a .yaml file. So we can create the YAML file individually also, and also we can create in a single YAML file. So I'm going to show you in a single YAML file. So this is our YAML file. CD. So this is our YAML file which will deploy our whole architecture on cluster, and we okay. So if we want to run this command for this application, we will write kubectl apply -f, and then apps.yaml. As soon as we will hit this command, so our application will deploy on Kubernetes cluster. So let me show you the cluster, how it look like on. Okay, so these are the service for our okay. So yeah, so we created for the service, here service, mainline service, product service, store admin, storefront. These are the deployment, and these are for ports, and these. So let's go to the store admin and storefront. Okay, so we gonna go storefront. Yeah, so this is a storefront page. So we will send the order from here. We'll take this, take this, take this. So we select the 3 orders. I'm going to check out. Okay. Let's see that order got delivered, order got received or not from a store admin. Yeah, so you can see we got order here. Order is a store app. These are the product which we order from storefront. So we complete this order here. Okay. Yeah, so this is our order image, and we can also add the order from here like this. Add service and like anything, like if I want to make a laptop, MacBook M1, so here I can set the price, and here I can give the description, and also I can give a description by AI service. Like we have to click this button, and then we will get a description, and also you can generate AI images for this product. Okay, let's go to next step. Yeah, we already did. Yeah, let's do for the virtual customer and virtual uh, worker. So virtual customer and virtual worker are for that. It can automatically send the order and receive the order by virtually automatically. So let's see that pods are being created or not. Yeah, you can see virtual customer, virtual worker are in running mode. Okay, and the next step is, yeah, we will go for a RabbitMQ. Let's make sure that what is getting or not on a queue service. So we will go here, paste the command, and check the local. Okay, yeah, so you can check that previously we sent an order for 3 products, so the graph goes up, and like now again we will see again that after yeah, so for this time I'm ordering this Mac Mini and this and this and the cart checkout. Yeah, like we can see the order here, complete the order. Okay, yeah, the graph goes up. You can also see the queue and streams here, orders. Okay, yes, and then this for our database service. And now we will move to the CI/CD pipeline. So for CI/CD pipeline, we have to make sure that our variables are stored in the repository. So for each repository, we have to store like this. For I am showing to the storefront. So for storefront, we have to secret. We have to save the Docker password and Docker username and kubeconfig file. And this kubeconfig file we can know that by this command. Uh, we can find over here kubeconfig file. There is a kubeconfig file. We have to copy this file and paste here. And for the variables, this gonna set our storefront container name, storefront deployment name, and Docker image name. And this same goes for every repository. Let me show you the next repository to get a better idea. Yeah, store admin. We push code there. Setting action, and then yeah, you can see Docker password, Docker username, and config. This is a variable, environment variable that we have to store for a CI/CD pipeline, and then we have to select this. This is the CI/CD YAML file that our every push, whenever we push any in our GitHub repository, so the pipeline automatically trigger and run and deploy to the cluster. So let's have some example that how it's gonna work. So let's go and suppose I am editing this Docker YAML file. I am changing the commands like images. Let's say commands whenever as soon as I commit here, so the pipeline automatically triggers. Yeah, see, you can see. You can check the every step in detail. It gonna take some time. Yeah, so a Docker image already uh, pushing the image. Yeah, so our build state successfully run, and now it goes to a test state. Yeah, test stage also run successfully, and it now the for next release stage. And yeah, so you can see that it is also run, and now it go to for deployment stage. Yeah, so pipeline runs successfully. I don't know why it's gonna take some time. Yeah, for all four steps run successfully, and this whole this pipeline for a whole uh, for a whole BestBuy application, like for a storefront also we set the pipeline. We can see over here. So I'm not showing here because it will be too long video, and so yeah, this from my side. Thank you.